Hello viewers. Welcome to Mr. Rooster. In today's video, we are going to see about cybersecurity. First of all, we have to know, what is cybercrime? Cybercrime is a crime involving computers and networks, involving activities like illegal downloading music and stealing money. It can also involve non-monetary offenses like job-related and matrimonial frauds, stealing sensitive personal information, defamation on social media, and the distribution of computer viruses. Cybercrimes can also lead to physical or sexual abuse. Why is cybersecurity awareness important? Advanced technologies have transformed modern life, with the internet providing numerous benefits such as communication, information access, banking transactions, online services, job searching, and business operations. However, it also exposes us to numerous threats, including cyber attacks. A small digital lapse can lead to cybercriminals stealing money or damaging reputations. A study by a leading research organization found that 90% of cyber attacks are caused by human negligence. Therefore, cybersecurity awareness is crucial, and we must be vigilant in using technology to reduce the risk of cyber threats. Let's see about types of cybercrime. Number 1. Identity theft. It involves unauthorized access to personal information such as name, phone number, address, bank account number, Aadhaar number, or credit and debit card number, which defines one's identity. Number 2. Psychological tricks. It involves attackers manipulating users' minds to lure them with lucrative offers, allowing them to exploit them by stealing money or sensitive personal information. The attack is based on sending fake emails, calls, or SMSs, aiming to trap the victim into their trap. Number 3. Social media attacks. Social media has become a crucial tool for communication, sharing, and informing about our daily lives. It allows us to share photos, updates, and thoughts on various topics, allowing us to understand our history and predict future events. However, unwanted access to social media can lead to loss of information, defamation, and even physical and sexual assault or robbery. Therefore, protection and appropriate use of social media profiles are essential for maintaining privacy and preventing potential harm. Number 4. Digital banking frauds. Banking services are increasingly being offered online, allowing users to access account statements, transfer funds, request checks, and prepare demand drafts from the comfort of their homes. However, this shift has also led to an increase in cyber frauds related to banking. To protect online bank accounts, it is crucial to use strong passwords, as a stolen key can lead to the theft of both jewelry and bank funds. Therefore, protecting bank accounts with strong passwords is essential. Number 5. Mobile application attacks. The rise in smartphone usage and mobile applications has led to an increase in security risks. With mobile transactions increasing 4 times in recent years, cybercriminals are targeting users to extract data and money. Mobile applications, used for entertainment, convenience, and daily tasks like bill payments and service delivery, are more susceptible to cyber attacks. Users should be aware of attacks on digital payment and gaming applications. Number 6. Hacking of personal computers. Personal computers and laptops are crucial for storing vital information like bank account numbers and business documents, as well as personal files like photos, music, and movies. Therefore, protecting these data from viruses and malicious applications is essential, just as keeping a physical lock on safe vaults is important for physical security. Finally, the exploration of cybersecurity has revealed its complexity and the role of human factors, innovation, and constant adaptation in safeguarding our digital world. It highlights the need for a proactive approach to the cyber threat landscape, highlighting the need for awareness, education, and